The toy pack!
Hi, welcome to the toy park. Today I will be opening this Playmobil City Life airplane set. So it's a huge set, and what we can expect inside is maybe a few customers, some passengers on airplane, and a pilot maybe. Obviously together with an airplane. So why don't we open this and see what's inside? Okay, so we're going to take everything out and put it on table. Show what we can find inside. We've emptied the box. Let's see what we have inside. I can see the wings. Okay. So this is definitely a part of the airplane. Okay, what else do we have? Part of the airplane. Okay, and this is the last packet. So I've taken everything out. We're also given the guidelines on how to make the airplane. Well, we can try following this. What else do we have? Oh, and one more packet. Oops. Didn't see this. These are mainly customers. Okay. So let's try constructing this. But first of all, we're going to get this and attach this one on top here. Okay, so it looks something like this, and then we're going to take this part and attach everything to it. Okay, so these are the sides, these two are the sides. Okay, so we're going to put them here. So it should be the opposite side. Okay, one done, and the other one here. There. So it looks something like this on the side, and then we have the windows. As you can see, these are the glass windows. We're going to open them and put the windows here. Okay, so let me take out all the windows first. Whoopsie. Okay, there we go. All out. So we're gonna put them one by one. What we have to do is simply put it here. Done. Second one. The other side. The last one. Okay, so we have given windows to our airplane. Okay, and then we're going to take this one, small piece, and put it inside. It's like a table in there. Okay, so it looks something like this inside. It'll be fixed inside. Okay, we're done with this. Then we're going to take the wing and work on this one. So this one requires these to be attached right here. There we go. And the other one here. Okay, done. And then we need to make the tires. So we're given the tires. That's how we're going to fly the plane. We're going to take out the tires, make them, and put them with the wing. Okay, so we have to take this and put the tire on the other side. There we go. Okay, and we're also given this piece. So what you can do is, there, we've attached the tire. So we're going to do the same. Take this one and attach here. There. Can you see? Okay, so it looks something like this. So we're going to make all of them now. And here comes the last one. Okay. Once they're done, attach them. There. So in total we have 6 wheels, so we've created 3. Yeah, that's right. And then we're going to attach them here, since we only need 2 for this one. Okay, once you put it in, it's going to look something like this. And we're going to do the same for the other one. We only need 2 here. Oopsie. Okay. There. Okay. 2, and we're done for this part. And then for the next part, what we're going to do is attach them together. There we go. We put them together, and then we have the cover on top. There we go. And then we have the wing. It's right here. After you've done attaching all the parts, it's like going to look like this. Okay, so the airplane is done. What else do we have? So we just left one more wheel. We can put it at the front right here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so now we also, as you remember, we got 3 different characters. This is the customer, probably, and we've got the pilot and another passenger. Okay, so we need to dress them up. We've got briefcase for 2 of them, and we need to make them. So this is the first briefcase. There. And she's carrying a briefcase. Oh wait, I think it's matching to her dress, to her outfit. Okay, so I'm gonna give her red. There we go. And for this gentleman, this one. There we go. So they're probably business people doing business. And for the captain, we have the hat. And we're given 2 cups to serve the customers in the airplane. For example, if I give it to him, he's going to move it this way. So 1 cup for him and 1 cup for her. Cheers! So we're going to make them sit in the plane and let them reach to their destination. Okay, after you've made them sit, they're going to look like this. So the passengers are sitting in the business class, and there we have our pilot. And the plane is ready to fly. Okay, so the airplane has taken off for its destination. Come back next time to see another toy review on the toy park. Till then, bye!